Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to fix Apple your payment method was declined error. First thing, verify your payment information. Open settings, tap your Apple ID and name and at the top, then go to payment and shipping. Tap your payment method, then check correct card number, expiry date, security code, and billing address. If not, check your billing address. In payment and shipping, select your payment method and ensure the billing address matches the one your bank has on file. Finally, you can try signing out and then signing in again. Go to settings, then your name. Scroll down and tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password, then tap turn off. Sign back in via settings and sign into your iPhone. Then retry your purchase in the App Store. If it still doesn't work, consider using a different payment method or contacting your bank. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.